Hi, and welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about comments and how important it is to use comments in your code. Let's begin. Go ahead and open Atom, and in Atom, in your Rex Python folder, go ahead and create a new file and call this file comments.py. Now, there are two different types of ways of creating comments. First is the single line comment. And this is done by starting the line with a hashtag, which is the shift and the 3 key. The pound sign above that 3 key, that's the hashtag. And if you start a line with the hashtag in Python in any .py file, you're going to see that that code will not be executed. It's not runnable, and it's just used as notes for the code that is going to be written below it. For example, I could write something like colors, and I could say my favorite color is blue, and my least favorite color is yellow. And now I just have commented a section for color variables, and that's how you know to list any variables of colors in that section. And by commenting on your code, it is going to help not only yourself, but other people who are going to be looking at your code know what is going on with your code. And as you write line after line after line of code, after a while it starts to build up, and it's good to have comments so that you don't get lost. So in addition to single line comments, we have what are known as multi-line comments. And multi-line comments are created using triple quotation marks. These triple quotation marks have a start and a finish because there are multiple lines. So this right here is a multi-line comment. And inside this comment, you can write multiple lines, and you'll usually see this at the top of your code file underneath the file name in anybody's code that is like listed publicly online. You'll notice that they'll have a longer description of their program inside a multi-line comment. And this is how they do it, and this is how you'll see it. Usually you will see a description of the program in more detail. And this is nice to have. It's convenient, especially when you're writing longer descriptions and it's not all going to fit on the same line. So these are the two ways of writing comments in your code. Let's go ahead and practice. Go to your previous programs, your first program.py, and start commenting on your code. Maybe write something like this name variable is taking input from the user and storing it. Or something in your variables.py like containers for your lunchbox or something. So go ahead and practice. Just go back in your homework and see what you come up with. And as long as you're understanding the difference of single line and multi-line comments and how to write them, you're on the right track. Congrats, guys. That's the end for this lesson. I'll see you in the next video.